Guys, so we have been discussing about software engineering. In lecture number one, this is Introduction to Software Engineering, an introduction to software construction techniques for industrial strength software. So 1.1 in introduction, it says software engineering is an interesting subject. In order to understand this subject, we will need to look at a number of examples and case studies. And we will need to see how we can develop good software and how it could be improved in different scenarios. Before we move on to software engineering, we need to understand what software actually is. What is software? When we write a program for computer, we named it as a software. But software is not just a program. Many things other than the program are also included in software. Some of the constituted items of software are described below. Number one is program. The program or code itself is definitely included in the software. Number two, data. The data on which the program operates is also considered as part of the software. Number three, documentation. Another very important thing that most of us forget is documentation. All the documents related to the software are also considered as part of the software. So the software is not just the code written in COBOL, Java, Fortran or C++. It also includes the data and all the documentation related to the program. Why is it important? Undoubtedly, software is playing a vital role in all the field of life these days. We can see some of the major areas in which software has played an important role are identified as under. Number one, business decision making. Software systems have played a major role in businesses where you have to analyze your data, and on the basis of that analysis, you have to make business decisions. This process of data analysis and decision making has become very accurate and easy by the use of software. Number two, modern scientific investigation and engineering problem solving. Scientific investigations and engineering problem solving require an intensive amount of calculations and data analysis. The accuracy of these analyses is also very important in scientific applications. This process has become very easy and accurate by the use of software. For example, software systems are becoming more involved in bioinformatics, and the process of DNA decoding is only possible by the use of software systems. Similarly, many astronomical observations are being recorded and analyzed by the software systems these days. Number three, games. We see many computer games these days that interest people of all ages. All these games are derived through software systems. Number four, embedded systems. We see many kinds of gadgets being employed in our daily use things, like small microcontrollers used in our cars, televisions, microwave, ovens, etc. All these systems are controlled through the software. Similarly, in many fields like education, office automation, internet application, etc., software is being used. Due to its central importance and massive use in many fields, it is contributing a lot in terms of economic activity started by the software products. Billions and trillions of dollars are being invested in this field throughout the world every year. Engineering. Before moving on to software engineering, let's first discuss something about engineering itself. If you survey some of the dictionaries, then you will find the following definition of engineering: the process of productive use of scientific knowledge is called engineering. Thank you.